Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with a wonderful tea video. Yay! Okay. It's been a minute since you guys seen one of my wonderful weight loss tea videos. Well, in this video, I got a surprise for you because this is a tea that's going to help you to get rid of 15 pounds in 15 days. I'm also taking this tea, and so far I'm seeing results in my body. Now, this tea is not only just going to help to shrink the fat cells off your body, but it's also going to boost your metabolism so that you're able to burn more fat. And that's what we're looking for, something that's going to rev us up and help us to burn off that fat in no time. So this is a tea, especially if you have a slow metabolism and it's very hard for you to lose weight. It has simple ingredients, and let's get started. Now today we're going to be working with our pot. Okay, so I have my pot on the stove, and I'm going to add in 700 mLs of water because this tea we're going to drink in the morning as well as in the evening. But if you want to do it 3 times a day, you just add in more water. So right now we're working with 700 mLs of water, but you can also do 750 if you choose to. And my pot is warming up. For now, I'm going to add in my water into my pan. Okay. Now what we have here are wonderful herbs that you can find in my eBay store if you can't find it in your part of town. Alright, I'm working with 2 teaspoons of mustard seed. I'm also working with 2 teaspoons of my cumin seed. And I'm lastly working with 2 teaspoons of my fenugreek seeds. Okay, now I'm working with about 2 inches or so of my ginger root. And what I'm going to do is just grate it directly into my pot. If you have ginger paste, that's good too. And you're going to have this on a medium to low flame. Now we're just going to allow this to simmer on the stove for at least 5 minutes. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this to a nice boil, and I'll be back after these wonderful announcements. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right. So until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, so our tea is ready. It's finished boiling, and what I'm going to do is allow it to steep a little bit on the stove and cool off. Okay, and now I'm just going to add in 1 teaspoon of honey. Now if you choose you don't want to use honey, you don't have to use honey. This part is optional. And there you have it, you guys, this wonderful, powerful, fat-burning weight loss tea that's going to help you to lose 15 pounds quick. All right, this is what's going to help to shed that weight, get rid of that excess bloating in your body, get rid of that excess water weight, and help to burn fat. All right, this is going to boost up your metabolism so that you're able to burn more fat. So if you have a slow metabolism, this tea is what you need to get your body started. Okay, so you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, thumbs up this video, comment down below, let me know how you like it, and share these video recipes with your friends and family who are also trying to get rid of that excess quarantine weight. Okay, just like your girl. Don't forget to also check out my eBay store where you will find these wonderful herbs. I have them listed down there for sale, very reasonable, as well as the Flat and Firm Belly Detox, the Immunity Boosting Tonic, and all of my wonderful living bitters, which is going to strengthen your immune system and boost your body up. Okay, they're also wonderful for weight loss. Don't forget to also check out the herbal honeys for those of you who may be struggling in lack in your body, especially if you're a man. Okay, you know what I'm talking about. These wonderful herbs will boost your manhood up, as well as you ladies who may be lacking drive and stamina and desire. The herbal honeys is also for you too, ladies, okay? As well as check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care, skincare, beauty care, family vlogs, and more. You will see more of your girl over there. All right, so you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for patronizing my eBay store, and I will see you again in the next video. Hey family, this is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful announcement. If you haven't heard about it yet and haven't tried it yet, well, I want to bring to you something that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. This is a powerful tonic that's going to help to flatten your stomach. It's going to get rid of that excess waste in your colon, so this way you can get rid of that excess weight. This is something that's going to help to lower your cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, as well as your blood pressure. For those of you who haven't been able to get rid of that weight and burn fat because of low metabolism, this is something that's going to boost your metabolism, give you that extra energy that you need to burn that weight. This is also going to cleanse your blood because it's a detox. It's going to get rid of those harmful toxins in your body that's keeping you sluggish from getting rid of that weight. So check out the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. This has been flying off the shelf like crazy. This is my popular detox tonic that's been working for so many. So if you're trying to lose weight, get those inches off, as well as lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, give you extra energy, and suppress your appetite, well, check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox. This is powerful, this is organic, and it's also safe for those of you who are on blood pressure medication as well as being diabetic. So check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It works. This is going to get rid of those extra inches off your waist because you're cleansing your colon and getting those wasteful toxins out of your body. So like I said, check down below in the description bar where you will find the links to my eBay store for this powerful Firm and Flat Belly Detox. So get your health journey back on track. Check out the links down below.